Dun, dun, dun,
full of black powder.
Oh, yeah.
Dang it, didn't catch the top.
Oh yeah.
You don't have
Wow.
ones in here, do you?
I do.
It's like an oxyacetylene torch.
Oh!
It hit the primer! Oh, that was loud. Oh.
Dude, it blew a hole through my finger.